Hello B.Ed students, today we will study about educational administrations, concept, definition, nature of education administrations, which contain total 8 points. Next we will study about the characteristics of education administration, which contain total 10 points. Next, we will study about the need of education administration, which contain total 8 points in it. Next, we will study about the principle of education administration, which contain total 8 points in it. Next, contains the conclusion of the education administration. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.